Hello students, welcome to this class. Myself Professor Dhananjay Thakur. Today we will see 12th standard economics subject chapter number 1, meaning and definition of micro and macroeconomic. So let us start. Students, microeconomics and macroeconomics are two main branches of modern economics. The term micro is derived from Greek word micros or mikros, which means small or a million part. For example, individual consumer, individual firm, particular commodity, etc. The term macro is derived from Greek word macros, which means large, whole, entire, total, aggregates, etc. For example, national income, aggregate demand, aggregate supply, etc. Students, the term microeconomics and macroeconomics were first coined and used by Ragnar Frisch in his book in 1933, and since then they have been adopted by the economists all over the world. So students, our first question is, what is the microeconomics meaning and definition? First of all, micro means a small part of a thing. Microeconomic thus deal with a small part of the national economy. Microeconomic studies the economic action and behavior of individual unit. Yes, microeconomic is study the individual units or particular commodity, etc., such as an individual consumer, individual producer, individual firm, price of particular commodity or a particular factor, etc. In simple, the term microeconomic is examination of the tree and not the forest. Then, what is the definition of microeconomic? In your textbook, there is given two definition related to microeconomic. So let us discuss some important definition of microeconomic to understand its meaning and nature and subject matter. First definition, according to Maurice Dobb, microeconomics is in fact a microscopic study of the economy. Listen again. According to Maurice Dobb, microeconomics is in fact a microscopic study of the economy. It means microeconomic analyze each individual unit is examined separately in detail. Next one definition, Professor A.P. Lerner definition. So, according to Professor A.P. Lerner, microeconomic consists of looking at the economy through a microscope, means same meaning, as it were, to see how the millions of cells in the body of economy, the individual or household as consumer and individual or firm as producer play their part in the working of the whole economic organism. It means students, microeconomics study how the various cell of the economic organism such as consumer, producer, worker, etc. do their economic activity. In other words, In microeconomic, we attempt only a microscopic study of the national economy. Okay, students, hope all of you understood this definition and meaning of the microeconomy. Our next question or another question is, what is the meaning and definition of macroeconomics? Students, macro it means large. So, macroeconomic is a branch of economic which analyze the entire economy. Macroeconomic deals with total employment, national income, national output, total investment, total consumption, total saving, general price level, inflation, trade cycle, business fluctuation, etc. Thus, macroeconomic is the study of aggregates. Hence, macroeconomic is also known as aggregative economics. Next, we shall discuss some important definition of macroeconomics. Students, in your textbook, there is two definition related to macroeconomic. First, Professor J. L. Hanson's definition. According to Professor J. L. Hanson, macroeconomics is that branch of the economics which consider